Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve two questions from quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination and students are used to get high score in this portion as on it requires only your basic numerical skills and basic numerical knowledge and mathematical knowledges. So people are used to get high scores in this portion. So if you want to score high in this portion, then practice all the concepts of basic mathematics from class 6 to class 10, and you need to know the tricks behind each and every chapter of this chapter of quants, which helps you to uh, solve this question in a faster way in examination. Okay, so let's start the first problem. In triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 30, angle B equals to 60, and we have to find the angle C in circular measure. Okay, as we have angle A is equals to 30 degree, angle B equals to 60 degree, therefore the value of angle C, it must be 180 degree minus 30 degree minus 60 degree, which results in 180 degree minus 90 degree. That means the angle C is 90 degree. Therefore the triangle looks like this: A B C, where this is 30, this is 60, and this is 90. Now we need to find the angle value of C in circular measure. Therefore, we can write angle C is equals to 90 degree into pi radian divided by 180, which is equivalent to pi radian divided by 2. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. Here we are given that cos theta plus sec theta equals to 2. Then we need to find cos to the power 6 theta plus sec to the power 6 theta. Cos theta plus sec theta is equals to 2. Then we need to find the value of cos to the power 6 theta plus sec to the power 6 theta. Now we already know that cos theta plus sec theta is equals to P. If cos theta plus sec theta equals to P, then cos to the power n theta plus sec to the power n theta is also equals to P. Therefore, here we are given cos theta plus sec theta is equals to 2. Then cos to the power 6 theta plus sec to the power 6 theta is also equals to 2. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. So we have solved two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us. These are the contact details: 9836793076, 9874822756, and for further details you also can check our website, which is www.sarosisclasses.com. Thank you very much.